Yes. Now we are going to discuss, we are going to learn about the multiplication of two-digit number by a single digit number. Single digit number we are going to discuss. What? Double digit number means two-digit number by a single digit number. Example here given, two-digit numbers here 1, 2. It is multiplied with single digit number 3. Then how to multiply? How to multiply when a two-digit number is given with three-digit number. First, make like this box. Here, first two-digit number 23. 23 multiply with 3. Then how to multiply? Once you see here, like 23 means what? 23 here. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. 3 in 3 ones, 2 tens, 2 tens. Multiply with 3. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. This is a double digit number, two-digit number. Two-digit number is multiplied with a single digit number. Then how to take this? 2, 3 into 3 means 3 ones, 2 tens. First we have to multiply 3 with 3 means first ones place. These two we have to multiply. 3 multiplied with ones place first. Then 3 threes are 9. The product we have to write in ones place. First we have to multiply 3 with this 3. 3 threes are 9. The product we have to write in ones place only. Then after that again this, so whatever the product we will get, that we have to write 23 with 3, we will get 9 here. Then after that what we have to do? After that again three ones, 2 tens. One of the part is over, 3 threes are 9 is over. After completing ones place, again we have to multiply with tens place. So 3 is multiplied with tens place value. What is the tens place value? 2 is there in tens place. Then multiply with 2. 3 2s are 6. The product we have to write in tens place. That is 69. First 23 and 3 is given. This is two-digit number. This is a single-digit number. Two-digit number is multiplied with a single-digit number. Then how to multiply? This is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. These two are multiplied with 3. First of all, we have to multiply with ones place first. 3 threes are 9. The product we have to write in ones place. Then after that 23 into 3, after completing the ones place, 3 threes are 9. Again we have to multiply this 3 with 2, tens place. After completing ones place, we move to tens place. 3 2s are 6. That we have to write below the tens digit. Then what is the product? 23. 23 into 3 is equal to this 69 is the product. 69 is the product. So this is called factor. This is also called factor. This is called product. Factor, product. These two are the factors and this is a product. Yes, now today again in exercise 2, so the same similar questions were given. So multiplication of a two-digit number by a single digit. By a single digit, 4 questions were given in exercise. So what are those questions? First question is 33 with 2, 11 with 4, 32 with 1, 41 with 3. Then first, in the same way, first we have to multiply. This is ones place, this is tens place. We have to multiply first ones place value. 2 with 3, 2 3s are 6. The product we have to write below ones place, below ones place. Then after that 2 with tens place. What is our tens place? 2 3s are 6. That we have to write below the tens place. 66 is our answer. So what? 33 into 2 is equal to 66. This is called factor. This is also called factor. This is called product. And this is also called multiplicand. This is called multiplier. This is product only. So this is factor, this is factor, and this is product. And also we can call this first one is multiplicand. This is called multiplier, and this is called product. First one is a multiplicand, and second one is a multiplier, and third one is the product. Third one is the product. Next, in this is ones place, this is tens place. First we multiply with ones place, 4 with ones place. 4 ones are 4. That we have to write below in ones place only. Then after that we have to multiply 4 with these ones in tens place value, that is 4 ones are 4. That product we have to write below this tens place, that is 44. That is 44. It means 11 into 4 is 44. 11 into 4 is 44. Then what it is called? It is a factor. It is a factor. This is also factor, and this is product. And it is also called multiplicand. And this is also called multiplier. The last one is product only. So here we have two names. For first one is multiplicand and second one is multiplier. Second one is multiplier. Next, here this is in ones place, this is in tens place. First we have to multiply 1 with ones place. 1 2s are 2. Then 1 with tens place next. 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. 32 is a product. Then 32 ones are 32. Then in the same way, this is a multiplicand, this is the multiplier, this is the product. And these two are also called factors also. Next, here this is in ones place, this is in tens place. 41, two digit number is 41 and a single digit number is 3. 41 is multiplied with 3. First we have to multiply 3 with ones place value. 3 with ones place value. 3 ones are 3. And after that we have to multiply 3 with tens place value. That is 3 4s are 12. 12 we are getting 12. That 12 completely we have to take in tens place only. Tens place only. Okay. Now 41 into 3 is equal to what is the product? 123. 123. So in this way, so we have to find the product. So these two are called factors, or otherwise the first one is called multiplicand and the second one is called multiplier, and the answer is called product. Yes, now students, now we are going to learn about multiplication with regrouping. So before we learn, without regrouping numbers, now we are going to learn regrouping, how to regroup in a 2-digit and a 2-digit number with a single-digit number multiplication. First, this is ones place and this is tens place. 6 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. Already we know that how to multiply. 2 is multiplied with 6 first, ones digit first. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 12 means here this is ones, this is tens. 1 tens, 1 plus 2 ones, 2 ones. 2 6 are 12. In 12 we have 1 tens and 2 ones. How many ones we have here? 2 ones. These ones place ones, in ones how many numbers were there? 2. So that number we have to keep in ones. So write in ones place. And this is tens. How many tens are there? 1 tens. That 10, how many tens are there? That many tens we have to keep up in tens place. In tens place, first we have to multiply 2 with ones place. 2 6 are 12. So here we are getting double digit number. Whenever we are getting double digit number, so in that we have ones place and also tens place. 12 means 1 tens plus 2 ones. Already we know this. Then how many ones were there? 2. So that 2 ones we have to keep in ones place. And how many tens were there? 1 tens. That 1 10 we have to write in tens place upside. Then after that, 2 is multiplied with these 2. 2 twos are 4. 4 tens and 1 more 10 is here. That we have to add. We have to first multiply 2 twos are 4. Then how many tens we are getting? 4 tens. Then 4 tens, again here 1 10 is there. So complete 5 tens. 5 tens, the answer is 52. Like this we have to regroup it. If double digit number is there in product, just we first regroup the number. How many ones are there? Then how many tens are there? How many ones we are getting? That many ones we have to write in ones place. And how many tens are there? That many tens we have to keep in tens place upside. Okay? Then after that, when we are multiplying tens place, the product, and whatever the tens place we are keeping upside, that we have to add, and that answer we have to write in tens place. Tens place. Then after that, 26 into 2. 26 into 2 is equal to 52. 52. 26 multiplied with 2, the answer is 52. This is a factor. First one, second one also factor, and third one is product. Or otherwise, it is also called multiplicand. And it is called multiplier. And this one is also same product. Okay, so these two are the factors. And also we can call it as multiplicand, and the second one is called multiplier, and this is the last one is product, no change in that. Okay, here find the product of some numbers are given. 55 with 5, 55 with 5, 55 with 5. How to find this product? First, in the same way, this 5 is in ones place and this 5 is in tens place. First we have to multiply ones place with 5. 5 with 5. 5 5s are 25. 25. 25 is a double digit number. It means 2 tens, 2 plus 5 ones. 5 ones. In 25, 2 tens were there and 5 ones were there. So these 5 ones we have to write in 5 ones place, and this tens we have, that tens we have to write in tens place, that to upside. Then next we have to multiply 5 with 5 in tens place. 5 5s are 25. 25 tens and this 2. 26, 27. Answer is 27 to 75. To 75. Then what is the product here? That implies the product 55 into 5 is equal to 275. 275. Second question. So in a second question, 63 with 4. 63 with 4. Then this 3 is in ones place. This 6 is in tens place. Then first we have to multiply with ones place. 4 3s are 12. 12 means 1 tens, 2 ones. 2. In ones place 2 is there. In ones place 2 is there. In ones place we have to write 2. In tens place 1 we have to take that 1 upside. That we have to take 1 upside. Then after that we have to multiply 4 with tens place value. That is 6. 4 6 are 24. 24 and this already 1 10 is there. 24 plus 1 25. 25. 252 is the product. Then 63 multiply with 4. The answer is 252. 252. These two are the factors. This is the product. And also this is called multiplicand. This is multiplier. And this is the product. When 2-digit numbers were given, when the 2-digit numbers were given, we have to do like this by making regrouping. So here regrouping is there. Why we are doing here regrouping? So when we are multiplying with ones place, we are getting 2-digit number. In the 2-digit number we have 2-digit number. So in that we have ones place, ones values and tens value. Ones value we have to keep below ones place and tens value we have to keep in tens place. Then after that we have to multiply again the number with tens place. And 5 further 25 like that, 25. After getting the product 25, then how many tens already there, that we have to add. And that we have to add and that we have to keep here. So this is our product. Yes, now students, see here what problems. First one, in example, there were 3 rabbits in a playground. How many rabbits were there? 3 rabbits. 3 rabbits were there in the playground. Each rabbit ate 3 carrots. How many carrots? Each rabbit ate 3 carrots. First rabbit ate 3 carrots, second rabbit ate 3 carrots, and third rabbit also ate 3 carrots. So all the 3 rabbits ate 3 carrots each. Then he is asking how many carrots did they eat all. So how many overall that 3 rabbits ate, how many carrots he is asking. Then first, so we have to take like this in a box. One more box here. Only one space is there, 3. And how many rabbits were there? First 3 carrots. 3 carrots ate 3 carrots each rabbit, and number of rabbits 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 carrots they ate all the 3 rabbits. All the 3 rabbits they ate 9 carrots in all. So first given 3 rabbits were there in the playground. In the playground how many rabbits were there? 3 rabbits were there. So in that rabbits, each rabbit ate 3 carrots. First rabbit ate 3 carrots, second rabbit ate 3 carrots, and third rabbit ate 3 carrots. Then how many carrots did they eat all? So that's why first we have to take each rabbit ate how many carrots? 3. Then number of rabbits 3. 3 3s are 9. So this is the total number of carrots they ate. They ate. Here in the second, this is our exercise 2 word problem. So in exercise 2 word problem it is given Niharika went to the garden. Niharika, she went to the garden. She saw 6 ducks. How many? 6 ducks. on each of the 2 trees. How many trees were there? 2 trees. On first tree, 6 ducks were there. On second tree, 6 ducks were there. So if it's like that, then how many ducks did she see in all? All how many ducks she saw? First, she went to the garden. In that garden, what she saw? She saw 6 ducks on each 2 trees. On first tree, 6 ducks were there, and on second tree also 6 ducks were there. If it is like that, then how many ducks she saw? Then it is also the same pattern. First we have to make the box like this. Okay, 1's place, 10's place. No need to 1's place, 10's place. Why? Because only 6 ducks there on each single digit, and 2 ducks were there on each tree. Then how many ducks were there? Now, so 2, 6 are 12. This is 1's place, this is 10's place. 12. 12 means 2 1's, 1 10's. 1 10's plus 2 1's. 2 1's. In 1's place we have to write 2. In 10's place we have to write 12 ducks. Total 12 ducks. Total 12 ducks she saw in the garden. Total 12 ducks. Total here. Total carrots. Total 8 by 3 ducks. 9 carrots. 9 carrots. 9 carrots. 9 carrots. The total 3 ducks, they ate 9 carrots. 9 carrots. Here 12 ducks. She saw who? Niharika. She saw 12 ducks in the garden. Okay.